birthday party. Hey kids! Look at all the animals. They've gathered here and are planning something. It's Lego's birthday, and they've decided to throw her a surprise birthday party. Each animal has taken on a specific task. Let's see what they're up to. Zubby is in charge of the cake. Splash and Ziggy have taken on the music, of course. Look at them. They're bringing their instruments and putting the speakers in place. Choco and Achoo are responsible for the decorations. Zaza will bring Lego over once everything is ready. Decorations check. Music check. Cake check. All done. And now everyone be very, very quiet. Zaza is going to bring Lego over.